to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you my natural curly hair routine. This has been asked, like, very highly requested on my Instagram and stuff because I'm posting videos, photos of me with my natural hair. If you didn't know, I have naturally curly hair and I straightened it for many years, and then I decided I wanted to transition back to my natural curly hair, and this is what I've been doing to basically get that. Curls are not the best because all summer I've been like straightening my hair and stuff and haven't been treating it the best because of work and like events and stuff. But yes, I'm back to my curly hair and trying to like make it really healthy and really define my curls. So yes, really isn't like the hardest of routines, so I was a bit skeptical about actually filming it because I was like, I basically put water on my hair and like use these certain shampoo and conditioners, but I thought I'd show you because I watched these videos when I was wanting to transition my hair back, and I thought this might be helpful for some of you guys out there wanting like a cheap way to do it. So yes, if you're interested in how I get my natural curly hair from the shower to now, then just carry on watching. I've been in the shower, that's why I look currently like this. I am going to show you the products that I use in the shower and kind of what I do just after I've got out. So in the shower I use the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine shampoo and conditioner, and this is the coconut and hibiscus line. So Shea Moisture actually have a lot of different ranges. They have the Jamaican and Moroccan oil one. They have like loads and they're all different colours. The three products I've used from Shea Moisture are these two and the same one, the same range, the orange bottle coconut and hibiscus curl defining smoothie. Something like that. You would have seen me use it on my channel before. However, I absolutely, oh, there's hair all over. If you're wanting to transition your hair back to your natural curls, Shea Moisture I would 1000% recommend. As I said, they are a little bit on the expensive side. But they work so well, especially the smoothie. These two products are with the smoothie afterwards, work really well. However, I actually haven't got the smoothie at the moment, so I need to invest in that. But yes, these are the shampoo and conditioner I have been using in the shower recently, and yes, I absolutely love them, and they smell amazing and they leave my hair smell amazing, which is always a plus. And then once a week, obviously I have dyed my hair back a little bit blonder, and once a week I will use a touch of silver shampoo, and this just helps to take out the brassy tones and brighten the blonde up a little bit. But that can be really drying on my hair, so I literally use that once a week if needed, and if not, once every 2 weeks. Yeah, so in the shower I will use the shampoo, obviously as normal, put the shampoo on my hair, leave it in for a minute and wash it out. When I condition my hair, I put the conditioner on, and my hair is normally like really tatty from like the curls, like previously before I get in the shower, so I will leave the conditioner on and put it up, obviously wash my body, do everything else I need to do, and then I will come back to my hair, let it down and brush it out using this brush. Now this is a Tangle Teaser. I think I actually got this from Poundland, but it works perfectly fine. Now I will just brush from the ends, working my way up with the conditioner on in the shower. That is a really important part. That has really helped my curls to be a lot more defined when I get out the shower, and like actually brushing my hair with the conditioner on in the shower. So moving on to what I do when I get out the shower. So my hair is literally fresh from the shower. My curls are not very good at the moment, as you can probably tell. I have been doing a lot of straightening over summer, which has not done my hair well. However, we're back on track. Yes, after I get out of the shower, I will again go through and brush my hair from bottom to the top using my Tangle Teaser. You might think right now, like, should you not be brushing your hair out if you have curly hair? Some people might do different. However, I've watched quite a few videos and I've tried a lot of different ways, and actually brushing my hair out and making it kind of like obviously straight when I get out the shower, and then scrunching it really helps my curls to be a lot more defined, and so then they're not like all clumped together, they're like individual, if that makes sense, because you've like brushed out the hair. Now once I've brushed out my hair, I'm going to go in with this oil. This is the Scorch Off, I can't say that, the Got To Be Olicious Tame and Shine Styling Oil with Argan Oil for daily use. This stuff smells amazing. It's really light on my hair, which I love because I hate heavy things because it really can drag the curls down a little bit. This is amazing. It works so well. It leaves my hair so shiny, which is obviously like the main thing, and it's really good for your hair as well because it's got argan oil in. So I'm just going to squirt 2 pumps for now on my hand. Oh, I should probably take my ring off. So I'm going to rub that in my hands, split my hair, and then just run mainly on the ends, but obviously not too much because you don't want the hair to be heavy and for the oil to drag the curls out. So I'm just like combing it through my hair getting a little bit everywhere. After you've done that, if you need to take a little bit more, my hair's really thick, so I could do with 2 more pumps. There we go. And then on these pumps, I'm going to actually tip my head upside down and scrunch my hair. Ooh, and not knock over my camera. So I don't actually know whether you can see me now, but I'm just scrunching from the bottom, working my way up. Okay, so already I think you can see a difference in like the volume in my hair after scrunching. If you have curly hair, like scrunching is so important. It really helps like define the curls and make them a little bit more voluminous, that word. Can be tiring, but honestly, if you have curly hair and you want your curls to be more defined and your hair to have a lot more volume, scrunch for ages and don't stop scrunching. It really, really helps. Okay, so at this point you can either diffuse your hair with a hairdryer and make sure you're scrunching the whole way through. However, I don't like doing that. I like to air dry my hair and apply 0 heat to my hair. So yes, I am just going to chill. I think I'm going to film another video, so I might come back with makeup on, and I am going to let my hair air dry. So while I'm letting my hair air dry, I will keep it down, and then when it's like near enough dry, I will put it up in a twisty bun, and that will allow my hair to have a little bit more volume and a little bit more curl. So you can kind of choose and like play around with what works best for your own hair, because obviously my hair isn't going to be the same as all you guys, so kind of like test around and see what works better. Some prefer diffusing your hair, some prefer air drying, but yeah, I'm just showing you what I do with my hair. It's currently 3:10, and that is my niece Darcy, and she is the cutest person in the world. Look at her. Hi Darcy, if you're watching. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's currently 3:10, and I will be back later to show you my hair after it has air dried. Okay guys, so I'm back and it is now 5:05, so my hair has been drying for around 2 hours, and this is how it looks. So to finish off my hair, I again apply the oil that I used before, and I do just 2 pumps of this because obviously we've already got 4 pumps in my hair, and apply it on my hands and then just scrunch again from the end, mainly at the ends, because obviously that's going to be the driest place, and my hair really does dry quite quickly, as you guys can see, and just scrunch that into the ends and work your way up again. But yes, that is it for my hair routine. If I ever like need like a revamp, like tomorrow morning, I will just go in with my Babyliss curling wand and just add a few little curls in to make them a little bit more defined around my face and like at the back and stuff, because the back isn't as curly as the front. But yes, if I ever want to like touch it up a little bit, I'll just spray water on my hair, leave it to dry a little bit, and then go in with my Babyliss curling wand. It's the red one. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below if I can find it. It's a very old one now. But yes, I literally just go with any curling wand will do and just add a few curls in if it's feeling a little bit like limp. But yeah, that is it for my curly hair routine. It isn't the most complicated thing, but it was very highly requested of me to film, so I thought I would film it for you, even though it's very easy and I basically just put water on my hair. Yes, thank you very much for watching. If you want more hair videos and hair like styles and stuff, let me know by liking this video and let me know in the comments below. I always go to say description box and then realise that you guys can't write in that. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and yes, I love you all lots, and I will see you in my next video.